Welcome back to another OTD video. Today I have for you the Hot Wheels 2024 B case for Team Transport. This is designated by the FLF56 case code on here. This was sent over to me by Stop Diecast, so thank you Stop Diecast for sending this over and sponsoring this video. Let me crack it open and see what's inside. These have been out for a little while, so I've already actually found two of these in store. But knowing that this case is coming, I did not purchase, so it's nice to get these out and have these in my collection now. So, first set out of the case is the 1996 Honda Accord and the Fleet Street, both in a Castrol deco. So, if you were, I guess, I don't know how many people watching this video were actually fans of Japanese racing in the 1990s, but I did a little research on this Honda Accord here, and this is based on an actual race car that went basically toe-to-toe with some of the skylines of that era. So this was, I believe, man, it was like, this car like 17 like first place finishes or something like that in the JTCC, I think it was. So this is a pretty legendary race car in Japan. So and in terms of like deco, it's just one of these you know, just great looking cars. It's black with these green wheels. I don't know if we've ever seen like a neon green wheel before on anything premium. Not that I can recall. But so there is one of these in the set. This one will definitely be, and it is one of the harder cars in this case to find. Harder sets. All right, next one out of the case is, so this is the Sauber Mercedes C9. I think this is like the third time we've seen this casting, and the Fleet Flyer. So another vintage race car here. This Sauber Mercedes C9 is actually based on like a 1989 test car deco. No idea how the folks at Hot Wheels found that one. I assume maybe just Google or something like that, where they saw the design and it was like, wow, that is one cool design, because this thing, like this black with the blue and these like varying levels of white stripes, is actually a pretty cool design. And this is actually one of my favorite like race car castings. So this is only the third time we've seen it. And then despite the whole awesome deco thing, we get a hauler to boot with it. So we have this Fleet Flyer, you know, very nondescript deco in terms of like branding or anything like that, but you definitely know it goes with this race car. So very nice one there. So, and then the third set out of this case, so we have, in terms of sets, we have number 65 here in the Castrol set. The 67 is the Sauber Mercedes Fleet Flyer. So 66 sandwiched in between these is the brand new casting, the 66 Porsche 906 Carrera 6. A lot of sixes in there. And the carry-on, so the unlicensed carry-on. Definitely seems like an odd choice in terms of the hauler in this set, but you know, you would think it would be more of a vintage one, but it does lend itself nicely for this vintage race car. So this is, I assume this was expected to be probably one of the more popular sets in this mix, hence why it's 2 per case. I've actually seen this one hanging, and I found this one hidden underneath a shelf in a store. So the only one I haven't seen in the store was this one so far. But once again, I want to thank Stop Diecast for sending this over. This is the B case, the second mix of 2024 for Team Transport. And you know, getting into this new casting really quick here is, this is actually my first time. I mean, I guess I've seen it in the store, but it's really my first time taking a nice close look at it. And from what I remember, Hot Wheels designer Ron Wong telling us about this casting at Hot Wheels Nationals is that this front windshield and this back window are actually 2 separate pieces. So, and I'm not 100% sure if it lifts up. I don't think it lifts up, but we're going to see some really cool color breaks of this casting going forward. And if you simply Google the 66 Porsche Carrera 906, you're going to see some pretty cool liveries that I am sure are already in the works at the Hot Wheels Design Team Center. So, but 2 of those in this set. So brand new casting on the unlicensed truck. But there we have the 2024 Mix B for Team Transport. Let me know. I know this set's been out for a while. Let me know if you found it in stores yet. Which one you were or are or love the most. And we'll talk about it in the comment section. All right. Thank you for watching.